the drug, no patient will ask the doctor, come and tell me what it contains, how it works. Right? They take. They know doctor knows. So like that, when somebody calls you for DXN and they are your well-wishers and they know that it is good, that's why they have called you for the newcomers. Don't question anything, okay? Don't analyze anything. It is not the time to analyze now because already it is 18 years over for DXN in the world. And from India it has come here, it is nearly I think 9 years here in, and India 11 years we completed just now. It is established for 5,000 years. So no need of analysis. If you go on analyze, analysis, finally paralysis. You cannot walk. You cannot have good health. So now coming to the point, only 3-4 points you must know. What is this? Are generally mainly Ganoderma products because most of the products are Ganoderma based. Whether it is 100% mushroom powder or 18% coffee or 18% cocoa or 28% toothpaste, like that. Okay? Why we must use it? We must use it for prevention of health problems, thereby maintaining health at the cell level. Our body cell is just like it is a basic unit of construction of our body. So if cell is healthy, we are healthy. If cell is damaged, we get into disease, disorder and death. Cell death is our death. And another thing is anti-aging properties. So why anti-aging, how it can come? It has got the capacity to reproduce the cells in our body. On time, good number, healthy. For example, God has given us red blood cells, okay, which is manufactured in the bone marrow and kidney. That timing of the red blood cells lifetime is only 120 days. Next day it will burst and it will die. That is the nature. Not one, maybe millions of millions, okay, millions of cells. And that has to be replaced on time, good number, healthy. Otherwise you will be anemic. That is your blood will have less hemoglobin, your heart will become weak, kidney will become weak, you get into health problems. So we have got our spirulina which can just directly increase your hemoglobin and it is called as green blood. Okay. And now you can just go to the site spirulina.com and also they are giving you one book, pamphlets, spirulina from IMSA. Literature, that also you have to go through and simply you understand. Generally we have Ganoderma product as headline and also spirulina. Some others also they herbal, but there is difference between herbal and mushroom. Mushroom is not an herb actually, and we are also growing our Ganoderma 3 feet above the ground so that its roots will not touch the ground and absorb heavy metals and lead into problem in the long-term use, like lead, mercury, arsenic, which can deposit in the kidney and also. And mind you, DXN is the only company which is manufacturing it in the hanging method, okay, above the ground 3 feet, and it is also making under full sterile conditions, all those things you know. But why we must use it? It comes under health food supplement. So you must know what is health, what is food supplement. Okay? Health is, according to definition by World Health Organization, health means it is not mere absence of any disease or disorder only. It should not be there, of course, but also you should have the feeling of